Look at the fish.
Appreciate y'all coming in. We got a little bit of everything.
Let's see. Good?
This is Cat Mark Seafood. We opened up about 23 years ago here at this store, and we got our own commercial fishing boats that fish for us.
3 pounds of red snapper and a pound of shrimp, please.
We had 3 boats actually come in, had almost 20,000 pounds of fish. Mainly red snapper, beeliners, and a few groupers. And then we bought shrimp off the shrimp boats around here.
Well, that's good, don't they? Let's get one of those right there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Hi. How are you?
They got a great cast iron selection over here.
Oh, look at that beautiful cutlery.
Store right here has been in my family since 1924.
She looks like she's thinking deep thoughts.
A lot of do-it-yourself people come in here, and they can find things here they can't find at other places, and they can find service here. And if you need anything, I'll be up the front, and y'all come back.
Great, nice to meet you.
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome.
Thank you.
I'm
Hi.
Sheila. Go ahead and have a seat. We're gonna be doing some Gulf seafood tonight.
This is the shrimp and fillet that we got over at Captain Mark's. Well done, that's so good.
Oh my gosh. That is really good.
Okay, so don't eat too much because we're gonna make another dish. It looks like everything's ready. Y'all wanna help carry everything to the table? I think we could feed an army.
Oh, I don't know, I'm hungry.
Here's some tortillas.
This looks wonderful.
Really good.
Yes.
It does.
Y'all dig in. Thanks for all your help. Turned out great.
Oh, well done. It was all you.
It's fun to cook with friends.